So we're here in Shenzhen, and who are you?
Hey, I'm Spencer from Make Open. So Make Open competition. I'm from Makeblock company. So
What is Makeblock?
Makeblock is an open source platform which provides a lot of things for you to create any ideas, which turn your dreams into reality.
Turn your dreams into reality. So
Yeah.
this is about maker.
Yeah, it's about maker and gigs and DIY.
So how old is a Makeblock?
How old? It's I think 3 years old.
3 years old?
Yeah.
So here's the Maker Open here in Shenzhen.
Yeah.
And what is this building? Is this Make building?
Yeah, actually we rented this building for this Make Open competition. This is the first Make Open thing. We just started this year and we want to make it better in the coming years.
What is the point of Make Open?
So we want to tell the world that if you have any ideas, we can provide things you need to make your ideas into a real product.
Cool. And here's the catalog. It says right here the dates. And people come here to Shenzhen. Let's go over here.
Yeah.
So what are we looking at right here first?
It's a workshop.
Yeah?
So it's a workshop. We have a lot of processing machines here. If you want to cut something or you want to sew something, you can come to here and ask help.
And here's a machine for some kind of different stuff right here.
Yeah.
What are you doing with this?
It's a laser cutting machine.
Laser cutting.
Yeah.
This guy is controlling it.
Yeah, it's also from Makeblock.
Okay, let's go and look at the open. So this is day 2 right now, right?
Yeah, it's a day 2. We got 3 days in total.
So what do you do every day at Makeblock?
For me,
Yeah.
at Makeblock.
What do you do?
Well, actually, I'm a product management manager, so I have to develop some new products. And also, I'm in charge of descriptions and translation for.
Okay. What is going on the wall here?
This is a sign-in board. You can sign your name on the board. Just to show the world you have come here, have come to Make Open. Do you want to sign your name?
Later.
Okay, sure.
Okay, let's go. So this is booth 1.
Yeah, we got 12 teams.
And it says soul of character. So let's introduce the team. So who are these guys?
They are from the Shenzhen Secondary High School, and they are making some products according to our theme. Our theme is lyre, chess, calligraphy, and painting, which is 4 accomplishments of ancient China's poetry.
Can you say it again? The 4 what?
Accomplishments.
Yeah, it's
Lyre,
lion, like a lion.
lyre,
Ah,
lyre, and chess.
Okay.
And also calligraphy, which is writing.
calligraphy
And painting.
and painting.
Yeah.
Cool. Hey, the team.
Yeah.
So what is going on here?
You can scan a character. Scanning a character.
You can do what with a character?
Scanning.
Gaming.
Scanning.
Gaming. Okay. So what is this?
This you can put something beautiful thing in here, and it's very beautiful. Just
It's just very beautiful.
yeah, and this one you can put this pen to here.
So you will finish how soon? When is finished?
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, we
can.
check back tomorrow.
Okay.
See how it looks.
Okay.
Okay, let's go booth number
Thank
2. So how many teams you have?
We got 12 teams, 8 from China and 4 from other countries like Italy, Austria, and the USA. But
This is
one from
the
Hong Kong.
MIT.
Yeah.
What is it? Hello. Are you from here?
Yeah, I'm from MIT, and actually one of my teammates is also from MIT. And actually, we like I introduce ourselves or
Let's go in
just
there.
from our project.
Let's go in there. Look what they're doing.
Oh, actually, we can go from this side.
Yeah?
Actually, we are thinking about the renaissance of the culture in China. Nowadays, we know that Chinese culture is very important in ourselves, especially the water and the mountain paints. There is a lot of meaning in that kind of painting because actually they keep the motion, they record the motion and the painter with the object.
So this is like a painting machine, calligraphy, automatic calligraphy.
Yeah,
Is it gonna work? Let's go and check it out.
It's not working now.
Let's go.
Sure. We're still working on how to make it can directly
Hey.
detect the people, how people movement. And
So what are you doing? What are you doing right here?
This is a part where I'm calibrating an ink tank.
Ink tank.
Yeah, which is gonna allow the calligraphy pen to dip ink. So instead of actually having the pen go dip the ink pot
Nice.
goes
Goes up
into
to
the
the
pen.
pen.
Exactly. So I'm
Is it gonna work?
Well, it's of course gonna work, but I'm calibrating the location of where that movement should go.
Do you have a lot of experience with Makeblock, or how do you do your maker stuff? Mostly.
I've been working with Makeblock for half a year, almost a year.
Is it cool?
It's very useful. It's a very fast system that you can prototype things with.
What kind of feature requests do you have for this platform? Do you want to see a lot of different things, like something more?
Well, probably.
features?
I'm more interested in the mechanical system, so I would have them. If they could have more motors and guide rails and different customization of lengths of members.
What
that
is
would be
this
really cool.
PCB you're running right here? Is this part of Makeblock, or you?
Yes, this is part of Makeblock. It's part of the stepper motor driver.
Is it like a Freescale, or what kind of process is going on here? Do you know?
This one?
Yeah, you programming?
it's in Arduino.
What are you programming?
It's Arduino.
Arduino.
Yeah.
It's Arduino's solution right here.
Yep, it's also by Makeblock system, which
So-
goes with the proprietary telephone cable connections.
So where's your team from?
Both of them from MIT
Yeah.
and they from Hong Kong University.
I
Hong
was
Kong?
from MIT and I'm teaching in Hong Kong right now.
Hong Kong team, right?
Yes.
So you're gonna win?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, cool. We check
Thank you
tomorrow.
very much.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's gonna work.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Sure, it will be a big machine.
We come tomorrow and check it out.
It's the painting big machine.
Okay.
Brush.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. What time?
Oh no.
Be careful.
Let's go. Sorry. Okay. Team number 3. So what's going on here?
Okay, this is the third team. They are from USA, the University of Utah. Let's go
So
check.
University of Utah is doing. Hey. So what are you doing?
So we're currently assembling our robot and putting the code together for it. So
So what is this?
basically what our robot will do is we'll upload an image to a computer and the computer will convert the image into basically a map for our robot to follow and go along and paint the image. Here's where the paint will be. We'll wash off the brush after each color is painted, and by the end, hopefully after 30 minutes.
Do you have some code running? Does it work?
No, yeah, we're kind of debugging it right now.
Debugging it? Are you gonna be able to do it? Because you have only. How long do you have? 24 hours?
24 hours, yeah.
24 hours.
Yeah, I think that we'll be able to do it. We've got all of the little parts taken care of. It's trying to attach everything in sequence.
So you're the team from Utah.
Yes.
So what do you do in Utah?
Well, we're a very project-focused class system in the mechanical engineering department. These 4 students got the chance to come here to China because
Shenzhen? Is it cool?
Yeah.
Are you having fun in Shenzhen? Yeah. Are you gonna win or no?
Oh, absolutely.
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 Are you sure?
We will certainly try.
You'll try.
Yes.
You have to get a lot of votes from the Chinese guys, right?
Yes, yes.
So you have to impress them a lot, right?
Yeah.
It's not. I mean, sometimes Americans are not.
We'll be all right. We're nice.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Okay.
We'll do our best. Yes.
Okay. So what is this over there? Is this part of your?
Oh, this is just to entice votes from the audience.
Just to get votes.
Yes.
Getting the votes right here.
These are, each of these would be a vote from an audience member.
Cool. And this is a vote against you.
No, both of them are
Okay.
both votes for us.
All right. Cool. So tomorrow is gonna work. We come back. We check it out tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow.
Okay, so yeah.
Cool. So what do we have here?
Hey, this is a fourth team from Shenzhen. Let's go.
Shenzhen team.
Yeah, Shenzhen team.
Oh,
So
are
talk
they
to me.
favorites?
Yeah, I think
Because
they're
we're in
favorites.
Shenzhen, right?
Yeah, we're in Shenzhen.
So that means
yeah,
all the Shenzhen kids will
Yeah.
come and they will vote for these guys.
perhaps if they are
Perhaps,
really
we'll see.
good. Yeah.
Hey, hello. What do you do?
What I do, I introduce our production to people pass by.
So it's in Chinese.
yes, its Chinese name is 动感音乐 DJ, and its
It's a
English
DJ.
name, DJ. Yes, we create this for helping people who doesn't know in music very well to create in music like a DJ.
So that's
this
nothing
is-
to do with the DJ,
this-
right?
No, this is the name of our school.
The name.
Chinese name.
Okay, and so let's look what they're doing. It's the team right here. What is this gonna be?
Oh, this is our production. Yes, this the four button. You can see the four button there. Every button control an instrument.
So
When you
it's a button. You step on it.
yes, you will step on this button and you will activate a kind of instrument. And there will another two buttons there and there. They will be controlled by your hands.
Nice.
Yes, and there will be a screen there used to control the rapids of the instrument.
So when did you have this idea? Yesterday? And you have to
we
finish
this
tomorrow?
Just yesterday after the brainstorm.
Brainstorm.
Yes.
The team. How many people in the team?
People in red is all team members.
All there, and drinking a lot of beer, right?
No, not beer.
not beer, okay.
That's our power.
So what is he doing? Hey,
What are you doing? Hey,
what are you doing? What is this system? Is this the Makeblock hacking system? What is that?
Hacking system.
Arduino?
Yeah, it's Arduino.
Arduino based.
And as he told you that we have many buttons, and under the buttons there are pressure sensors. And here is it's also like here is two touch screen. It's also like a touch sensor, and I am doing.
Is it gonna work? That it's because it's a big button. You have to put your whole body in it. It's just gonna work.
no, you just need a tiny touch.
A tiny touch is
It's
enough.
not. It's not. Yes. It doesn't need to step on it very hard.
Only for kids or adults?
For every people.
Everybody.
Yes,
So
everybody.
tomorrow is working.
Yes, tomorrow you're working. You should
What
working.
time?
What time? About 2 p.m.
You will work the whole night.
Yes. We
No sleep. Only Red Bull, right?
Yes, Red Bull.
Ha, okay, cool. We check back up tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then
Let's
so
go
you
to
have
number 5.
12 teams. How many teams?
12 teams.
12 teams.
So this one is also from China, Harbin province.
How do you choose all these teams?
Some of them we invited them. Some people just apply this competition and we review their profile and choose those one who we think are really talented or maybe very creative ideas they present. So we choose. Yeah.
All right.
So this one.
Hi. Hey. Who are you? What are you doing here?
I'm doing make a robot. I can draw a picture and play Chinese chess. Use this camera. Use the robot and the camera.
So this is drawing. It's gonna draw a picture on there.
And play Chinese chess.
So where are you from?
Harbin Institute of Technology.
Harbin Institute of Technology.
Okay.
And these guys, what are they doing?
This is play. This is do the program, and this
Program.
is make the machine.
Does it work?
control
Soon. It will
Control the
work.
motor. Control the motor.
对
Motor.
这个 motor。
Okay.
Control
Cool.
the
And this
camera.
hardware guy?
And they use the DAM, LED DAM.
LED.
LED. Control the LED.
Right. You already do something like this before?
Yes. Oh.
Did it work?
Yes, very well. This is our idea to control a robot to play Chinese chess, draw a picture, and write some words. Write Chinese words, English words will be okay.
What do you think about Makeblock?
Makeblock is
It's a good platform. Does it work?
yes, but I think he has some difficult. Maybe is this one, and
What are you looking for?
this one. This one and this one is cannot connect. So this one and this one is not connected.
So
So
you
I
will
think it's very difficult to use.
So you have to find a solution, right?
Yes, but I think he can change the connect.
All right.
The connect.
We check tomorrow how it looks. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right. Hey. Hey, how are you?
Hey, this is
Okay, so which team is this?
it's a sixth team from Zhengzhou, also from China.
Yeah?
I think they are-
Z Maker 4. Or Z Maker.
I think they are going to make like some kind of
What is that?
machine.
Is it secret?
hand.
Mechanical hand.
You're making a hand out of Makeblocks.
Go to control the hand.
Cool.
Yeah. Can try to show it.
And there, she's gonna vote. You gonna vote? You like this one?
现在你先投吧，放进去吧。
Okay, are you sure she's gonna vote for or against?
It's
For.
all four.
For, okay. So you move your hand, and then wirelessly it moves this hand.
But there are some problems.
Problems.
They use too much.
What problem? You can fix? Okay. Cool. And over here, this guy, hey, doing some fixing some stuff over here, and checking how to use the Easy Driver stepper motor. All right. Hacking team over here. Okay, let's go next booth.
So here is one of the most important part of our Maker Open.
So what is this?
This is the equipment area. So we got many things, many materials for all the teams to make their product.
Yeah.
We provide mechanical parts, electronic modules.
Let's go and look.
Yeah.
Because this is part of Makeblock. What is it? This?
It's a beam.
This is the. What is it?
It's like
what
a
is the
body.
material?
It's aluminium.
Aluminium.
Yeah.
Everything in aluminium.
Yes, everything. Yeah.
And you have all these.
Brackets and gears.
You call them gears and brackets and
And motors.
motors
Yeah. Electric
And-
cylinder.
and
Yeah,
screwdrivers,
tools. Yeah. And
cables.
also-
What do you do? All kinds of stuff here.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff you can think. So all the teams they can choose what they need as much as they
They can take as much as they want.
Yes, and as many times as they want.
Flutes, chess.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks dangerous.
And we also provide some Lego parts for them.
Lego. How about Lego? Is it a partner of Makeblock?
No, we are
Not yet?
Yeah, not yet.
Maybe.
Perhaps.
Okay. So, and then we have some of the sponsors. There's Adafruit, Intel, right? Are they partners? What are they?
So we are all organizers.
Yeah. And these are
3D machine.
like 3D printer.
Yeah. 3D printer.
Is that the Makeblock 3D printer? What is this?
Makeblock 3D printers. Each team has a 3D printer. If they can't find a thing they need, we can print something for them.
Oh. So the printing is like this. Intricate can be. Is it solid?
Yes, solid.
Solid solution. You can actually. You just need a bottom, then you could drink out of this. All right. Okay. Let's continue. So far we halfway.
Wait.
How many booths did we see so far?
We have already seen six booths.
Okay. Over here.
Yeah. Here is electronic modules.
Okay.
From Makeblock, SparkFun, Adafruit.
Yeah. Okay. So we go here and we.
All the
This guy, what is he doing?
He's arranging things. So we provide all kinds of electronic modules.
Okay.
Yes. And also Raspberry Pi. And
What is this? Is this all ARM CPU?
ARM CPU?
ARM processor? Do you know? What is CPU? Does he know?
CPU?
Yeah.
No.
No? Many different, right?
Yeah.
What is the CPU here? Is this Freescale, ST, ST? SD Micro.
SDM
STM.
32.
32, yes.
32. So ARM Cortex M4
Yes.
CPU, right?
Yes, right.
All of it is using this or some different one?
Different.
Different. What is the other one? Where? Which one? So here we have some kind of like Arduino and Arduino Uno, Raspberry Pi, and
mainboard.
oh, Intel, Edison, Galileo, but nobody is using them. Everybody is using this one. I'm joking. And what is going on here? Seed. What is the CPU in here?
Seed is Uno.
Can we look? Can we open to see inside?
Yes, okay.
You know which CPU this is? It's like a Chinese Arduino.
Yes, right.
Chinese Arduino, maybe. All right, cool. Okay, let's continue the tour.
Another 6 3D printers here.
Okay. We'll go right here. Make her open. CEC port. What are they doing?
They provide ICs for us.
I see.
Yeah.
So team number 7 right here.
From China. Let's go.
From where?
China.
Where in China? So here we have a quadcopter.
Oh, it's also from Shenzhen.
Shenzhen.
Yeah.
So Shenzhen team, hello.
Hello.
What are you doing right here? What are you working on? You working on this quadcopter? So it will fly?
Yeah. It is a kind of airplane, and we will use an APP to connect with it. So when we finish this project, we can use the APP to draw whatever you want to draw, and the APP can connect with the airplane, and the airplane can use a laser to draw the picture on the big one.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So
it is very
so this is gonna fly?
Yeah. It is a kind of airplane.
Kind of airplane, but it's
Yeah.
drawing where? How?
This is the wing. This is
So-
the wing, and this is the center.
Okay, so it will draw.
Yeah.
A big drawing.
Yeah.
It will work tomorrow?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm
Maybe.
very confident.
What these guys are doing?
They are making the project.
So this is finding a solution with drivers and stuff. And what is she doing over there? The 3D printing? What is this? Casing. Nice. So it's gonna print in 3D. Cool. And these guys are hacking a little bit on the smaller version, right?
Yeah.
And they already have you done some drone before? You know how to make drone? This is a smaller one, and you know how to hack the drones, right? You Shenzhen team.
Yeah.
Shenzhen University or what?
中科院.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so you take the PCB of the drone and you change. You put software. You put something cool, and it will work.
Sorry.
We will try tomorrow. We look how it looks. Okay. Cool. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay.
CPU we are using is Mega 328.
What, Mega 328.
Yes.
What is that?
It's the CPU we are using.
Okay, let's try it. Happy hacking.
Yeah.
Team number 8.
Also.
Hey, how are you?
Hey,
What are you doing?
so I'm making drum monster. Actually, it's an automatic drum.
Can you show this one?
Yeah, we can. We have a simple demo. And then this is just a demo. We are
Yeah?
debugging for that device. So we read the MIDI file from Arduino, and then we trying to make the motor to play the drum.
Nice. So you will have a drum kit?
Yeah. We will have 4 to 5 drum, and then we have 4 to 5
Okay.
motor to.
Where are you
play
from?
Drum.
Shenzhen?
Yeah, I come from
Shenzhen,
Shenzhen DIY community located in Shenzhen.
how many people in there?
Everybody come here is the Shenzhen DIY community.
Right now
people.
there's a break or only this guy?
We will have 5 people here.
5 people.
Yeah.
And what is he working on right now? Coding. Is it good code?
Yeah, I'm coding, so.
All right. It's gonna work?
Sorry?
It's gonna work?
Yeah.
Okay, so we check this out tomorrow. Wait. Okay.
Let's go Team 9. It's from Beijing of China. It's from Beijing.
Hey, what are you doing?
学英语好。
我们要用英语说吗
Try. This is a piano.
？Yes.
It will work.
你们是要做什么在钢琴吗？
It'll play some music.
对，我们要做一个这个能够自己输出琴谱的钢琴的。我们这
So
边一边
the
弹
machine
奏
will output the notes
Yeah.
that you're playing.
So I'll put the notes, and they're working on a kind of like a system here, and with some software. This is Scratch?
Yes.
Scratch works well with Makeblock. Many people use Scratch for Makeblock.
Actually, we have our own developed software, which is based on Scratch.
Okay. So it's to make it easy to develop different blocks and put them in the Make system,
it's
right?
easier to use graphical programming software. Yeah.
Okay. What is this?
This is the control circle.
The main board.
Yes.
It's an Arduino. There's some hacking going on here. All right.
这个得重新开一下，我刚才在插线。
Is it gonna work tomorrow?
明天你觉得明天它会搞得很好？有没有搞得很好？
You put the keys here and it'll work. What is it gonna do? Like sound?
对我们还会有人那个他会弹琴，我们还会弹一段。
Okay. The one teammate from them, they can play piano. So they play piano and the machine will output the notes.
Okay. Let's go. Hey. And so the next.
Yeah, it's from Italy.
Italian guys.
Yeah, Italian guys.
Really? Imagine a lightsaber chess. So hello.
That's exactly.
So where are you from?
Italy, Trento, in the north.
Oh yeah. So what? Ooh, this looks crazy. What are you doing here?
That's a chess. Just imagine to play two contenders playing chess on a large scale checkerboard, and each one has a full set of.
So you will have all the sets. This is just an example. You will have one.
Exactly. That's the point. And in order to, the way you move your mates is by pointing a laser pointer like this on the ground, and the mate has a camera here, a little tiny camera here, which
it's already working.
You see, this is what the camera sees.
Cool.
And tracks the position of the laser spots and try to follow the. Let's try.
Oh, is it gonna work already?
Yes, probably.
But it's not even like the open is until tomorrow. So what are you gonna do the last day?
Well, add some frills.
Add some more, the whole set. Oh, it's going crazy.
and there's some bugs, of course.
Fix some bugs. You don't want this robot to attack the children at the fair, right?
No, we definitely don't.
Like a Jello movie or something. Cool.
There's
a little bug.
Yeah, the little bag. We have to.
I'm sure it's gonna work tomorrow. Do you think you have a good chance to win?
Yeah, no.
No? Why?
I hope, but.
You hope? Why?
Other
Chinese people don't like the Italians, or?
No, it's not that. It's that other people have a really good project, and let's see if our can compete with the other one.
So what kind of project you do before?
Oh, that's our first competition.
First time you do a competition?
Yeah.
So this is just the beginning of, do you like Makeblock, the platform?
Yes, well, apart from, the hot weather, we are enjoying every single minute here.
Yeah, it's pretty hot in June.
Indeed.
It's a little bit like South Italy, right? Or something.
Yes,
in July.
and we come from the north.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So check tomorrow when it's out of bugs.
Sure, of course.
Thanks.
Number 11, they are from Nanjing of China.
So what's going on here? What are you showing? What do you have?
We are creating a new. We are making a new method to play chess.
This is a chess machine.
Yeah. Normally, people will play chess with their hand to move the chess. We will move from here to there.
This is Chinese chess.
Yeah. But we want to change the method to move the chess, so we will just wave our hand.
The camera will catch the motion. You move your arm in the air, and the camera will catch the motion, and the magnets will catch the chess, move on the plane. And here is the XY plane, and here is another.
All right, cool. What are these guys? What are they doing?
Coder.
Coder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Program.
You using Windows?
No, I use Linux.
I'm just joking. Yeah. Okay. All right. And so here.
We are doing just a little test.
Little test.
Yeah.
And you're using some Arduinos and some motors and. What do you think about Makeblock? Does it work?
Yeah.
The platform? You have everything you need? What do you need?
In fact, we don't need too many things. Just some very usual board, like Arduino and Raspberry Pi.
And how will it grab and put down? It will work? Grab the thing, put and...
No, not grab.
No? What it will do? Move?
It will
using a magnet.
Magnets?
Yeah, this one.
Cool.
When it is, when we give it 5 volts.
So like a powered magnet?
Yeah, and it will use this. And if there is no power, it will not attract it.
Cool. All right, so tomorrow is working, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you check back. Cool. Is this the last team?
Yeah, last but not least.
All right.
It's from Austria.
From Austria?
Yeah,
Austrian guys.
Hi, nice
hey,
to meet you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So you here in Shenzhen? You're from Austria, and
Yes.
what are you gonna do?
Well,
what are you doing here?
We are building a drawing machine.
Okay. Yeah. So this is a drawing machine?
This is a drawing machine, yes, and it will be operated by a glove.
Yeah.
The glove carries a sensor which detects your
like this
movement.
this glove right
like
there.
This one, yes, it's not quite ready yet, but we're still working on it. So it detects your hand movement, and depending on how you move your hand, the drawing machine will draw lines the same way you moved your hand on the board.
So you started yesterday?
We started yesterday.
And you finish tomorrow?
And we have to finish tomorrow, yes.
It will work?
It will work, of course it will. We will work all night through if it doesn't.
These guys, what are they doing?
This guy is working on the control software for the motors right now.
So what is the software that you do there? How does that work? Is it Atmel Studio?
It's Atmel Studio, yeah. For this Arduino board.
Atmel ARM CPU?
No, it's 8-bit controller.
8-bit controller, basic Arduino, right?
Arduino, of course.
Yeah.
Of course. And I have to
What is the challenge?
Yeah, to move the stepper motors in the right speed, and I have to calculate that we can draw straight lines.
All right. Have you done something similar like this before, or is it just kind of like discovering a new kind of thing?
Not really.
Well, we have done portions of it, so everyone has done a little bit. We have not built something like this as a whole system, but bits and pieces we have been building before.
So what do you get if you win?
So, well, we get some money, I think, but the most
office is in Shenzhen, so you can live here or no?
Well, maybe. I don't know. They said there's gonna be a surprise.
What do you think about Shenzhen? Have you been here before?
It's great, yeah. Now it's our first time in China.
First time?
Yeah.
It's cool. Did you have time to look around or only hacking?
Mostly hacking. Mostly hacking. Yeah.
All right. Cool. So what did the winner get?
Okay, we got one first prize. The first prize we got 30,000 yuan. I mean Chinese yuan.
So that's
And
like
also a
how much is that? $5,000 or something?
Yeah, it's $5,000.
Yeah?
US dollars, yeah. And the second, we got two second prize. They can get 20,000 RMB, Chinese yuan, 20,000.
So that's like $3,000 maybe?
Yeah, 3,000.
And then these international teams, you fly them to come here?
Yeah, they fly.
And
to
there's a
here.
competition to come?
Yeah.
How do you find these guys?
Well, we found maybe we invited them, or some of them we work with them before. Or
Right.
maybe they are using some products from us, so we invited them to China to join our competition.
All right. So tomorrow, what time is the ceremony and the final?
Tomorrow at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, all teams will present their products in front of the audience. Then we will calculate the voting and the scoring from judges, and the winner will be coming. We're going coming soon.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's check tomorrow.